And I need you beside me so I cannot get with you. If you don't let me, my boo.
This look came out bomb. Ready or wait. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel, and season greetings to one and all. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 1B/red unit that I got from FENJUN Hair Company. It came in this cute little white box. This is their 13 by 6 deep parting space unit, and I got it in the length 16 inches. I went ahead to pin curl this unit. I'm going to be showing you an in-depth video on how I style my wigs before I install them. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from FENJUN Hair Company on Amazon. This is their 1B/red ombre unit in the length 16 inches. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some cute bob earrings and a pair of stocking cap. So a bit about the cap construction of this unit. This unit is a 150% density unit with a 13 by 6 deep parting space. This unit has 1 comb to the back and 3 combs behind of the lace. This unit also came pre-plucked, but I'm going in again to pluck the unit a little bit more to my liking. So I'm going in with my water to damp the front area where I am going to pluck the hair. As you guys can see, the portion where the baby hairs lie, it is already pre-plucked, so I'm just going to pluck behind of what we plucked already. So I'm just going to take my tweezers and pluck out as much hair as I need, but not too much. And then I am going in with my wax stick from Wig Dealers to smooth out the edges on this wig, and then I'm going in with my hot comb from Wig Dealers as well, just to smooth everything together. And after, I'm just going to work on flat ironing this unit, and then I'm going to curl it. So you guys, I already went ahead and prepped my wig to install it. I already curled it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting my black opal foundation into the knot of this unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my foundation to put into the knot, and I'm just going to put it into my lace. And this is a 13 by 6 deep parting space. One thing I love about this company is that their parting space are bomb. I just love it. So I'm just applying the foundation, and I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend it out. So you guys, I am just positioning the wig where I want it to lay, and then I am going in with my rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna cut it down. After marking out, I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond Supreme Glue. I'm going to be applying 3 layers of this glue for an extra hold because I want it on for the Christmas weekend. So what I like to do, I like to put the glue on top of this, and I'm gonna be taking the tip of my comb and I'm just going to glue under it. So I'm just gonna take my and just tie down my hair for a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it on my hair for a little bit to make sure that the wig is melted. Okay, so let me see how everything is looking now. Check out the layers, you guys. Like, look at this. And I'm just gonna start to cut off the extra lace. So you guys, this is the end result. My new baby hair install. So you guys, red hair wear. See, this is the end result of this unit. This is a 13 by 6 unit and I got it in the length 16 inches. This unit retails for $217.94 on Amazon, so you can go and check them out if you are interested in this unit. I did 2 reviews previously on FENJUN Hair Company and their hair quality is super bomb, especially their yaki texture hair. I'll link the video in the eye when I did an initial review / install on their yaki straight unit and that unit. And as you guys know, I normally pin curl my unit. I don't really use flexi rods. I normally flat iron the unit first and then pin curl it after to get the effect that I want. But I'm definitely feeling this here, and I didn't do any baby hair today because I wanted to, you know, look a little bit vintage. No baby hair or anything because I normally always do baby hairs for my install, so I wanted to switch it up a bit. This look came out bomb, period. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do. And I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas from my family to your family, and may you have a prosperous 2021 by the grace of God. See you in my next video. No,